I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you some practice questions from my students' worksheet. Maria, thank you for sharing your worksheet, and here are solutions for some of your questions. Now this one is on polynomial functions. We are given the function, the graph of the function here, and we need to state degree of the function, state coordinates of zeros, local minimums, local maximums, state interval of increasing and decreasing, and find equation of the function. As we can clearly see from the graph, it is graph of a cubic polynomial, right? So it's a cubic polynomial. So the degree of this is 3, right? So it is degree is equals to 3. That is the answer. State coordinates of zeros. These are the zeros for the function, correct? So the zeros are at -1, 4, and 6. So we can say zeros are at -1. Let me write x equals to -1, x equals to 4, and then we have it at 6, correct? So, and at 6, correct? 6. Now, local maximums or minimums. So this is the minimum for us. So the local minimum, so we say minimum is at 5, and this seems to be, since the scale is 10, I will assume this to be -5, okay? So I'll write this as 5 minus 5. As far as the local maximum is concerned, we can write that as maximum is at 1, and the value is 30 for us, 30, 1 and 30. State intervals of increasing, you can see from here that the function is increasing, so we'll write increasing from -infinity to 1, right? That is interval of increasing, and then from 5 to infinity, and then from 5 to infinity. So these are the intervals of increasing. Intervals of decreasing, let me write here, intervals of decreasing. It is between 1 to 5, right? 1 to 5, it is decreasing. Find equation of the function. Since it is a polynomial function, I can write the function as f of x equals to a times. We know the x-intercepts. We get x plus 1, first 0, then we have x minus 4, and then x minus 6. To find the value of a, we can always use the maximum point given to us at 130. So if I write x as 1, f of x is 30. So basically we are saying f of 1, which is equals to 30, is equals to a times 1 plus 1, 1 minus 4, 1 minus 6, right? So it is 30 equals to a times 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So when you multiply these, 10 times 3 is 30, so you get minus 30 times a, minus and minus becomes plus, okay, equals to 30. And from here it implies that a is equals to 1. Since a is 1, we can write down our equation. We know a is 1, right? So we now have equation which is f of x equals to a is 1. So we can just write x plus 1 times x minus 4 times x minus 6. So that is how we can write the equation of this particular graph. But I hope with this example you understand the concepts of, how is degree related with the shape of the graph, what is the domain and range for the function. Well, domain range is all real numbers for this odd degree function, and also zeros, intervals of increasing and decreasing. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.